Once upon a time, in a bright town called Railtown, there was a little red train named Tinku. Tinku was small but very cheerful. Every day he carried children to school, workers to their offices, and families to visit loved ones. Tinku loved helping people. He always whistled happily, choo-choo. One morning, Tinku started his journey as usual, but halfway to the next station he saw something strange. A railway signal was broken, the track ahead was unsafe. The big express trains rushed past and said, "We are too fast, we cannot stop." Tinku felt scared, but he knew what to do. Tinku slowly stopped near the station and blew his whistle loudly. Choo-choo, choo-choo! The station master heard the sound. Soon railway workers came running. They fixed the signal and made the track safe again. "Thank you, Tinku," they smiled. Tinku continued his journey. At the next station, a little boy was crying. "I miss my train," the boy said. Tinku gently stopped and waited. The guard helped the boy get on safely. The boy waved and smiled happily as the sun went down. People clapped and cheered. "Tinku may be small," they said, "but he has a big heart." Tinku whistled proudly, choo-choo. And from that day on, everyone remembered that being careful and kind makes a hero.